Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about political and cultural achievements of prominent rulers of major dynasties of Rajasthan, Guhila, Pratihar, Chauhan, Parmar, Rathod, Sisodiya and Kachwaha. First we will talk about Guhila dynasty, also known as Gehlot or Gohil. Now prominent ruler Bappa Rawal, 8th century CE. Political achievements: founder of the Guhila dynasty, established rule in Mewar, played a significant role in resisting Arab invasions. Example, Battle of Rajasthan, allied with other Rajput rulers to preserve India culture from foreign influence. Now cultural achievements: promoted Shaivism and Vaishnavism. Early Guhila rulers contribute to temple architecture, notably in Nagada and Eklinji temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Now we will talk about Pratihar dynasty, Gujra and Pratihara. Prominent ruler is Mihira Bhoj, 836 to 885 CE. Political achievements: extended empire across North India, maintained a powerful military, played a central role in the tripartite struggle with Palas and Rashtrakutas, successfully resisted Arab invasions from the west. Cultural achievements: patronized learning, Sanskrit literature and arts, promoted temple architecture. Early examples of North Indian Nagara style temples, example at Khajuraho, later extended by Chandelas. Now we will talk about Chauhan dynasty. Prominent ruler is Prithviraj Chauhan, 1178 to 1192 CE. Political achievements: ruled over Delhi and Ajmer, known for military prowess and resistance against Muhammad Ghori, fought the famous first and second battles of Tehran, defeated Ghori in the first, lost in the second. Now cultural achievements: patron of poets and scholars, Kotpur Chand Bhardai wrote Prithviraj Raso, encouraged the use of Hindi and Sanskrit, supported temple construction and literary activity. Now we will talk about Parmara dynasty. Prominent ruler Raj Bhoj, 1010 to 1055 CE. Political achievements: established a powerful kingdom with Dhar Malwa as capital, fought against Chalukyas and Kalachuris to expand territory. Now his cultural achievements: great scholar and patron of learning and literature, authored works on grammar, Saraswati Kanthabarana, medicine, astronomy and poetics, built Bhojeshwar temple in Bhojpur, a prime example of early medieval Hindu temple architecture. Now we will talk about Rathod dynasty. Prominent ruler Rao Jodha, 1438 to 1489 CE. Political achievements: founder of Jodhpur Marwar, consolidated Rathod power after the fall of the Delhi Sultanate, established a strong fort at Mehrangarh in Jodhpur. Cultural achievements: patronized arts and architecture, developed distinct Marwar style, promoted Rajput martial and aesthetic traditions. Now we will talk about Sisodiya dynasty of Mewar. Prominent ruler Maharana Pratap, 1572 to 1597 CE. Political achievements: symbol of Rajput resistance against Mughal Emperor Akbar, fought the Battle of Haldi Ghati 1576. Although inconclusive, he continued guerrilla warfare effectively, refused to submit to Mughal authority. Cultural achievements: patronized painting and architecture under later Sisodiya rulers, promoted Velar Rajput traditions and religious tolerance, developed Fort Chittorgarh and Udaipur as centers of culture. Now we will talk about Kachwaha dynasty of Amber, Jaipur. Now prominent ruler Raja Mahan Singh I, 1589 to 1614 CE. Political achievement: trusted general under Akbar in the Mughal court, played a key role in many Mughal military campaigns. Bengal, Afghanistan, helped strengthen Mughal Rajput relations through diplomacy and marriage alliances. Cultural achievements: built the magnificent Amer fort, encouraged blending of Mughal and Rajput styles in art and architecture, supported Sanskrit learning and poetry. Now we'll talk about Rajput dynasties and key centers: Sisodiya, Mewar, Chittor, Udaipur, Chauhan, Ajmer, Delhi, Pratihara, Kannauj, Rathod, Marwar, Jodhpur, Kachwaha, Amber, Jaipur. Thank you.